what's going on? This is Mo, Eko Solar, working on a project with Simply Energy out in this remote area, the middle of nowhere. We just did an off-grid solar system that's powering this entire building here, as well as the house back here. One of my first projects doing this was Simply Solar, and hopefully we'll do a lot more in the future. This is epic. I had to get out here and get a piece of this, and we have a lot more of these to come.
Photos?
This is video.
Okay.
So just tell us your name and the name of your...
Come on now.
You got to, man.
Let's get Sean to do it.
Hey, we're going to do a walkthrough of our solar inverter charger that we just installed out here in South Carolina on our their own island. Down here we have our 12 volt, 280 amp batteries wired in series for the 48 volt inverter. That is being fed directly into the inverter, your solar inverter charger. So it has the AC line out and in. So this is going to be your generator charge. This is going to be your AC going to this main breaker box here. These are your batteries, positive, negative, and this is your solar positive and negative that's going up to our array on the roof. So right now, as you can see, they are fans running, TV, watching the game. Their water is flowing, and if they need any extra support, they can kick on the generator and they can make it happen. So this is our off-grid solution that we just installed. Thank you for watching.